lollipop. Stop! It's the why bird stop.
Hello? No, I wasn't pretending to be a racing car. R is the sound today's letter makes. It's the letter R. Have a look. R.
Railway. Rabbit. Racing car. Rabbit. Robot. Rocket. Roofs. Radio. Robin. Rhubarb. Rhinoceros. Rat. Rain.
Ringa, ringa, roses. There's lots of r's in that rhyme. Do you know it? Ringa, ringa, roses, a pocket full of posies, a tissue, we all fall down. Shall we see if there's any pictures? Ringa, ringa, roses, a pocket full of posies, a tissue, we all fall down. King sent his daughter to fetch a pail of water. A tissue, we all fall down. Bird upon the steeple is singing to the people. A tissue, we all fall down. A tissue, we all fall down. A tissue, we all fall down. That's my favourite bit. A tissue.
Bless you. Hello. I didn't know why birds could catch a cold.
They don't. They only get the flu. Oh, never mind. I was just singing Ringa Ringa Roses.
Oh, well, in that case, come and have a look at this game I've brought. It's all about nursery rhymes.
Oh, good. I like nursery rhymes. Come on, let's go and see.
It's a guessing game. The pictures go together to make up a nursery rhyme. See if you can guess the rhyme before Y does. Now, here's a grandfather clock.
Ooh.
With a time that says just 1 o'clock. And here is a little mouse that's running away, that's running up the side of the clock. And here is another clock face that says 1 o'clock. Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock.
It's Hickory Dickory Dock, Simon. Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory Dickory Dock, tick tock, tick tock,
Yeah,
tick tock.
that's a good one.
Tick tock.
All right, the next one. Aha, now there's lots of fields there and a black sheep.
Is it Mary had a little lamb?
Maybe. And there's 1, 2, 3 bags of black wool. I think that's a clue. Now there's a dame. a master, and a boy.
It's Baa Baa Black Sheep. Say it with me. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane.
That's a good one, that one.
What's
Now,
next, Simon?
next one. Oh, it's a big wall and lots of king's men riding on horses. They look a bit in a hurry, don't they? And I wonder who that is.
Humpty Dumpty. Oh, that's my favourite. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
I know someone who's good at putting things back together again. Dr. Dilly at the Dolls Hospital. He fixed this roundabout for a girl called Chloe. He'll tell you about it.
Ah, hello. Dr. Dilly here again. And this is my shop, the famous Dr. Dilly's Dolls Hospital and Toy Surgery. Oh, sorry about all the mess here. I was just playing with a toy that I made earlier on. Now, I must tell you about a toy that I mended last week. It was a beautiful wooden roundabout, just like this one. And it belonged to a girl called Chloe. Now, Chloe was 5 last month, and for her birthday, she'd been given the roundabout by her grandparents. She loved it so much that she played with it all the time. She loved watching the riders and the horses whizzing round. When her friends, Michael and Jessica, came to her house to play with her, they liked playing with the roundabout too. And that's when something awful happened. Michael and Jessica both wanted to play with it at the same time. My go, said Michael. No, you've had it ages. It's my turn, said Jessica. And they both tugged and pulled at the roundabout. Oh, please stop it, said Chloe. You'll break it. But it was too late. Just as she said it, the roundabout fell on the floor. Whoops! Oh, now look what you've done, said Chloe. You've broken it. And she was very upset. Her dad came into the room to see what all the noise was about, and he spotted the roundabout. Oh dear, Never mind, Chloe. We'll take it along to see Dr. Dilly. He'll soon have it working as good as new. And that's what they did. Chloe very carefully carried it into the Dolls Hospital and put it down on my counter. Oh, my goodness, I said, as I saw it. Have you had an accident with this? Yeah, said Chloe. Me and Michael and Jessica were all arguing about whose turn it was to play with it, and the horse got broken off. Ah, right, I said. Well, leave it with me and pop back this afternoon. And then Chloe and her dad went to the fun fair, which was in town that week. Now, I put on my glasses because I wanted to decide how best to mend the roundabout and have a good look at it. Now, first of all, I decided to put a dab of glue on the horse's back. Here. Like that. Then I got the rider and pressed it down onto the peg on the horse's back very tightly so that it would stick to the glue. And then I left it to one side to start drying. Then I got out my box of nuts and screws. I had all sorts of different sizes in here, and it took me a while to decide which one would fit on the roundabout. I had to try several different ones, but at last I found one that was just the right size. So I popped the horse through the hole and screwed up the nut. Now, whilst I was doing this, I noticed that the horse's paint had got chipped. So I got out a couple of pots of paint and a couple of paint brushes. Now, I wanted to do a very neat job on the roundabout, so to help me, I used a magnifying glass, which makes everything look a lot bigger. Then I studied the horse so that I could do a very neat job, and I started painting the mane. There. Now, when I'd done the mane, I noticed that the mouth could do a little bit as well. So I put some red paint on the horse's mouth. There. Soon, the roundabout was looking sparkling and new again. So I put the whole thing underneath my counter for the paint and the glue to dry. Now, later that afternoon, Chloe and her dad came back into the dolls' hospital, and Chloe looked very excited. "I've been to the fun fair," she said, "and I went on a real roundabout. It was so exciting, whizzing round and round." "Well, I've mended your roundabout too now," I said, and I reached under my counter and I got it up. "Here it is," I said. "Oh, look," said Chloe, "the horse is fixed back on. Oh, great." And she span it round and round. "Thanks, Dr. Dilly," she said. "Do you know, we'll all be ever so careful with it from now on." I wonder if she will. See you soon. Goodbye.
Have you ever been to a fun fair? There are roundabouts like this one with wooden horses big enough to ride on. Sometimes they need mending and repainting too. Have a look. Oh look, there's the horse. Big, isn't it? What's he doing? Ah, look, he's stripping off the old paint. He's making it smooth so it can be repainted. Nice bright colours. It has to be undercoated in grey. All the racing cars have been done. Just a final polish. Excuse me. You need a steady hand. Hope he doesn't sneeze. Looks like they're finished and ready to go back on the roundabout, so everyone can have a ride. What would you like to go on?
I like fun fairs, especially roundabouts. But they do tend to make me feel a bit dizzy. Hey, Simon.
What?
Would you make me something round?
Hey.
Oh, please.
Right. Where's the bits and pieces box?
On the bookshelf.
Right.
B for box. I have to tell him everything. Come on.
Right, now here's some boxes and some cotton reels. Right. Well, they could be some wheels.
Wheels.
And,
What are you going to make, Simon?
well,
I know. It's a bicycle.
no.
No? Oh,
Some wheels at the front.
a wheelbarrow.
No, because I'm going to put some wheels at the back.
And wheels at the back. Is it a tractor?
No, because the wheels at the back and the wheels at the front are the same size.
A go-kart.
No, because this one carries people.
Carries people.
Yeah.
A doll's pram.
Could be.
Am I getting closer?
Getting close. I'll just get some
Doll's
sticky tape
pram.
off.
A train.
Yes, that could be, but a train goes on rails and this goes on the road.
It carries people.
Carries
It's got
people.
4 wheels and it goes on the road.
This is the tricky bit. This is a clue. It's got an engine at the front. Can you guess? I drive one.
It's a bus.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down all day long. Horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep all day long. Time for us to go now. See you next week. Bye.
Why don't you look round for some things that are round, eh? Bye-bye.